What is that, Robyn?
It's Japanese KitKat.
And what does that do?
Like have to toast it in a microwave.
You have to toast it in the microwave. Let me see one of the. It looks different, right?
Yeah, it's different with the other KitKat.
With the other KitKat. Is that the front part?
No.
Yeah. No, the one you're holding. I see. Okay. All right.
How about that one?
It's a huge one. Filled with a lot of them.
Show me the front part.
Okay, for the other side.
Yeah. Yeah. There. Okay, so we're gonna microwave it now. Okay.
I'll see you later when we're done doing this.
Okay.
Yeah, but it smells nice. Yeah, it looks like butter, but it's tiny. Tasty.
Stop touching it, Robyn. In the microwave. Oh, that's the oven. The microwave is this side.
Ooh. Steamed. Ooh, looks nice.
So it is toasted. Awesome.
Awesome. It shows that it's this is so good. I'm gonna whip it up. I am back. This one is really hot. One bite that good.
Is it nice?
Tastes like iced tea.
Iced
Tastes like,
tea?
yeah, it tastes like iced tea for that part.
Tastes like iced tea. It's supposed to be chocolate.
Get one part and then eat the whole thing.
Don't eat a lot, cause my turn.
Eat the
eat
whole
a
thing
lot.
like that. Yeah.
Like this.
Mm-mm.
Okay, but blow it first.
Yes, it might be hot, huh?
It might.
It is hot.
The whole plate is hot.
It's just a.
Just take a small bite.
I'll go get another.
What? Hurry up.
It's good.
Really? Give Robyn another one.
Get out of mine. I want to taste the frosting here.
No, you have to eat the.
Well, I really want to taste it. Even though that it smells good.
Thumbs up, thumbs down.
Damn it. Hey, stop!
Here, oh. Robyn,
I'm a help the
bite. A small bite.
Crunchy.
Is it nice?
I thought it was gonna be like really sharp and squishy. One? Nope. May I have another one? Just one piece, okay? Yay! One piece. You can eat that, but don't eat this one. I'll see you later.